Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making blue musk soap. These are the colors I'll be using. I hope everyone is having a great day today. If there are any fragrances or colors that you'd like to see me use, please let me know. Here I am putting the lye water into the oils. And I'm just going to blend this together. There's no special reason why that spatula is in there, other than I was using it to mix the oils earlier and I just left it in there. Sometimes I take them out and sometimes I leave them in the container. So I'm just going to get this mostly mixed together. I just wanted to get the spatula out of the way. And I just want to mix this until the water and the oils are mixed together a little bit better. I'm just going to add the fragrance in. This fragrance has aquatic notes. It's a very clean, fresh smell. And I'm just going to blend that in. I just want everything to be just barely mixed so that the batter will stay fluid when I do the colors. I'll be mixing this with blue and white. And I'm going to do two different colors and swirl them together. So first I'm going to mix the white in. I just switched to a smaller spatula for this. These little spatulas are really good for getting into those cups. And the little cups that I use are biodegradable. Here's the blue. This is a really pretty, vibrant blue. I'm just going to blend these colors to make sure that they mix in well with the oils and the batter. I'm going to mix this blue in. And as you can see, this blue is very, very bright. I thought it was a good choice for an aquatic fragrance. I'm just trying to get the stick blender clean and get all the soap out of it. And then later I wipe it off with one of my towels to get it clean. And I'm just going to mix in this blue with the white. It's going to be an in the pot swirl. And then just use the spatula to give it a quick stir. And here's the mold I'll be using. Just going to drop it in. I don't like to swirl these too much after they've been poured because I feel that they get enough of a swirl in the pot. I'm just going to tap out the air bubbles. And I'm just going to drop the gold shimmer on top. And then use this chopstick to make a pretty pattern on top. And here's how it looks up close. And here we are to cut it the next day. You see how the gold retained that shiny metallic is very, very pretty. I think it looks like a blue sky with rays of sunshine on top. Yep, and here's how it looks inside. You see how pretty it is? The blue really stands out nice against the white, and it looks really swirly. And there's the pretty gold top. This bar looks and smells really clean and fresh. And these are the two end pieces that I'll cut up later. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider clicking like and subscribing to my channel. I make new videos every Monday and Thursday. And these soaps will be available in my Etsy shop on January 1st. So stop by and take a look if you'd like to purchase any of my bars. Thank you for watching and have a great day.